Hello everyone, welcome to Methodist TV News. With me, Celine Kuan on October 27, 2024. We bring several pieces of information that is currently happening within this week for 3 minutes. And the headline for today is about Google reportedly launching Gemini 2.0 in December 2024. Google is reportedly about to launch the latest version of its AI model, Gemini 2.0, as reported by The Verge, a technology and science information platform that is part of the Vox Media network. Google plans to widely introduce the latest version of Google Gemini in December 2024. If this news is realized, December would be the month full of surprises. This is because OpenAI has also been widely reported to be releasing their latest artificial intelligence model, Orion, in limited release in the same month. However, the latest report from The Verge also mentions that the performance of Gemini 2.0 is rumored to have not yet met the initial expectation of the team led by Demis Hassabis, co-founder of Google DeepMind. Similar conditions are also reported to occur in other technology companies developing large-scale AI models, where performance improvements are not as significant as expected. Up to now, there is no detailed information on what features Google will present in Gemini 2.0. Therefore, the functionality of Gemini 2.0 artificial intelligence technology has not been definitively revealed. Prior to this, in December 2023, Google introduced Gemini 1.0, which was launched in the Pro version through BART, and the Nano version in Pixel 8 Pro. Google has also released the Gemini 1.5 model in February that brought a wider context window. In addition to Gemini 2.0, Google has also revealed plans to launch Project Astra to enhance camera and vision capabilities in Gemini Live. Well everyone, that's all the news for today. For more information, please kindly visit our website on www.methodisttv.com. And I am Celine Kuan. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and signing out.